But all in all, Makeup Forever, you have redeemed yourself. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So back with another makeup video. Clearly, I cannot leave Makeup Forever alone. If you've been following me for a while, this is my girl, okay? Me and Makeup Forever go way back. I don't switch it up a lot. I did recently try the House of Labs foundation, which I love, but I had already ordered this foundation. The Y535, which was my old shade, just doesn't look good anymore. The new shade is 4N70 or something like that. It was just so ashy, hated it, so I did return it, and I picked up 4R72, which is the old shade is R532. So we are going to try this shade on camera. This is how this color looks. I think it looks pretty good. I feel like it might work. We'll see. I also had the matte velvet powder that I returned, and I picked up shade 4N74, which I think is espresso. I'm not sure. I'll leave the links and the colors that I picked up down below. This is advertised to be a foundation, but I like to use it as a setting powder. I can already say this is definitely a better color match than the N70 that I had before. To me, this is giving the old shade that I used to wear. So this is one pump, which is all I really need. Now my skin is not doing the best right now. I don't know where all these little bumps are coming from, but I'm not happy about that. But we're gonna work through highlighting with the NARS Creamy Radiance in Amande. So I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. They are a lot of work. I have so much footage that I've just been capturing throughout the week, and putting it all together, editing it is a lot of work. But if you guys are enjoying it, I am happy to keep sharing them. Let me know what you want to see more of on the channel. I think vlogs are the hardest to do right now, just because of the constant filming and then putting all the footage together, and it is definitely a lot of work. And I just always take my hats off to people who do it consistently. It's a lot. It makes me happy to hear some of you guys say that my videos kind of remind you of the old YouTube, which I love because I miss it too, because that's when I started, and it was such a outlet for me at the time, because when I started YouTube, I was working in the mornings and going straight to school at night, and I just didn't have any free time. So YouTube was just such an amazing outlet for me. I never expected it to go anywhere. I was just doing it, you know, as a hobby to pass the time and just to have a little bit of entertainment in my life, and then it just turned into this, and I'm still doing it now 10 plus years later, and I'm so grateful that you guys are still here with me. And I'm still trying to figure things out, because I went through a little rut period where I just questioned my purpose on here and where is this gonna take me. I just was so doubtful. I'm like, I can't believe I just did not believe in myself. I did not see the bigger picture when I was in it. And there are some regrets, but all I can do is to continue to move forward and just try my best to continue to live out the things that I really want to do. And for me, that is getting this YouTube thing figured out, whatever that is. But anywho, oh, I just set my under eye with the Laura Mercier medium deep, and then I went on top of that with Fenty's cashew powder. So now we're going to set with, this is, what did I say, N74, which is such a pretty chocolate color. Oh wow, definitely a perfect match. And it has amazing coverage. Okay, so here we are, all done. I'm loving it again. Okay, so I just had to get another color. Okay, but all in all, Makeup Forever, you have redeemed yourself. I am gonna do a flash test because I want to make sure that the color is still good. So, oh, that's a video. I am making salmon today, and it's really quick and easy. So I got my rice going here, and now I'm just sauteing some peppers and onions, and we're gonna cook that in some spices, a little bit of garlic, onion, thyme, just a pinch of thyme, a little bit of 21 seasoning. So we're gonna let that cook down. This is red pepper, green pepper, and onion. I'm not sure if I mentioned that or anything. I'm gonna put just a tinge of Creole because this is gonna go in our coconut sauce. So once we let that cook down, add your coconut milk. Full fat is best because you want this to be kind of creamy. So full fat coconut milk, and then once you add your coconut milk, add every seasoning that you use to cook down your peppers and onions. So we got pepper, garlic, onion. 1 second, boo boo. Thyme, just a tinge of salt. Don't worry about it being too loose right now. This will thicken up. But I'm gonna let this cook down for about 15 minutes, and then you're just gonna throw this over your salmon and your rice, and you are done. I'm gonna pop my salmon in the air fryer, and my hands are free and clear out of the kitchen, okay? That is it. Hey guys, so I love trying new snacks with my little one. So we're gonna try the roll-ups and ice cream that was viral on TikTok. Wait. wait a second, wait. Okay, so you roll it up. This looks so weird, but everybody's like, it's so bomb. And it's the fact that it's crunchy for me. Y'all know I love crunch. You ready? All right, go. Ooh!
Is it good, guys? You have to try this out.
Jace likes it. It's cold, so it's a no for me. You like the candy or the ice cream? You could put it in the sink. it's a no.
That's another video. Hello, welcome back to my channel.
Hello.
I sell it.
I finally figured out the camera, y'all, because I was having issues with every time I would move, the lighting would change. There's a button on the camera that you push that stops that from happening. So it's one continuous color throughout the whole video. So now I figured it out finally. And I watched so many videos on this camera and nobody mentioned that. So if you're watching and you have the Canon M50, that's how you stabilize, by pushing that little star button.
If you have a Sonic toy, let me know and comment down below. Okay? So mommy take all the cars away and put in she room.
Her.